Hi, I'm Pooja, and this is my new channel. I will be teaching a lot of art and crafts where your kids could learn different colors, different numbers, alphabets, and much more differently. And in crafts, one could use those crafts for your home decor and much more. So, let's learn and see what we are going to do today. So, today we are going to make this bouncing frog. Kids really enjoy doing this activity, as anything which is movable or bouncy, they enjoy doing that. So let's just get started and let's see how it's made. So things that we would require to make the bouncy frog are 2 strips of paper, contrast color paper for the frog and the base, scissors, pencil and the other required stationery, most importantly glue. So let's get started. I've already drawn a leaf. To make it more realistic, I will just draw the lines. So the whole idea to make the lines on the leaves are that the frog is sitting on a leaf. I've taken a green color pen. You could take a sketch pen or a color pen and just color those lines. Now let's cut the leaf. Now let's take the 2 strips and apply a little glue at the end. And let's just interweave the strips together so that it forms a spring-like structure. Let's cut off the extra paper and glue the ends. Now as you can see, the spring is formed for the frog to bounce easily. Here I've already drawn and cut my frog. If you require the template, just comment in the box below and I would tell you how to draw in the next video. So let's just draw the eyes and the body of the frog. You can dot 2 circles and just color one of them from inside. And small eyelashes if you like it, just for cuteness. Now we'll just make few circles and color them. That makes the body of the frog. So just few random dots here and there, which will look perfect. And just draw the lips. And just mark the limbs of the hands and legs to make it look more realistic. Now our frog is ready. Now let's take our spring, apply glue and stick it to the leaf. Now apply glue on the top and let's stick our frog. Bounces perfectly. Now the red strip is for the tongue. You can roll it on a pencil or anything that you have at home, a pen, pencil, or anything, so that it forms a roll like this. Apply glue and stick it on our frog. Our frog is ready. Bouncy frog is ready. So now if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.